How to use call center benchmark comparisons for gap analysis. Are you curious about how to use call center benchmark comparisons for gap analysis? This process is essential for identifying performance differences between your call center and industry standards. It helps highlight areas that need improvement. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to select key performance indicators that matter most to your operations. These can include average handle time, first call resolution, customer satisfaction score, service level, and call abandonment rate. Each of these metrics gives you a clear way to measure how well you are doing compared to others in the industry. Next, gather your internal performance data. You will compare this data against benchmark data from industry standards or your direct competitors. This comparison is where you will start to see gaps. For example, if your first call resolution rate is much lower than the average in your industry, it signals a need for improvement in resolving customer issues on the first call. Once you have identified these gaps, it is time to analyze the underlying causes. Look closely at your processes, agent training, technology, and customer feedback. Understanding these factors will help you determine what specific actions to take. For instance, if your outbound conversion rates are not meeting benchmarks, consider reallocating resources or improving your scripts and tools, such as power dialers. Tracking these metrics over time is crucial. Regular benchmark reports will allow you to monitor your progress and measure the effectiveness of your improvement initiatives. This ongoing analysis is key to ensuring your call center continues to adapt and improve, maintaining both competitive viability and operational efficiency. To summarize the steps for using call center benchmark comparisons for gap analysis, start by selecting relevant key performance indicators. Then, collect and compare your data to external benchmarks. Identify performance gaps through this comparison. Investigate the root causes behind these gaps. Implement targeted improvements based on your findings. Finally, monitor your progress with regular benchmark reports. By following this structured approach, you will gain a clearer view of where your performance may fall short and what actions can help close those gaps. This method not only supports your call center operations, but also drives continuous improvement in your service delivery.